My name is Jason Wen. I want to tell you about my last vacation. My wife and I were in San Bernardo archipelago. We arrived that place by accident because we was going to Rincón del Mar. But people who lived in that place recommended us to visit San Bernardo archipelago. When we was arrived at archipelago, we thought that was the most beautiful place in Colombia. It's like a paradise and it's very cheap if we compare with other beaches in Colombia. Weather is usually sunny, ambient temperature is close to 30 degrees. However, it's windy, so you don't feel very hot. Sometimes it's raining and you can't find a shopping seat. It's dangerous. If you visit San Bernardo archipelago, I recommend to visit Tintipan Island or Mucura Island to relax and enjoy the landscape. It's necessary that you wearing sunscreen. It's recommended that you wearing life jacket when you travel by a speedboat. It's recommended that you carry a good camera to take the best photos. It's important you don't throw garbage to death. It's recommended that you don't carry